लोकसभा भवन में दुई दिनिया जिलापाल और एसपी सम्मिलन आरंभ। ए सम्मिलन में मुख्यमंत्री मोहन चरण माझी जोग देइछन्ति। राज्य में कार्यकारी हेउतिबा समस्त सरकारी योजना और आईन श्रृंखला परिस्थिति नियंत्रण ने आलोचना कराजिबो। मुख्यमंत्री मोहन चरण माझी सम्मिलन में उपस्थित रही समस्त जिलार जिलापाल और एसपी मानकु मार्गदर्शन करेंगे। ये बड़ खबर आसी पहुंचुछि लोकसभा भवन में। आज दुई दिनिया जिलापाल और एसपी सम्मिलन आरंभ। एही सम्मिलन में मुख्यमंत्री मोहन चरण माझी जोग देउछन्ति। राज्य में कार्यकारी होतिबा समस्त सरकारी योजना और ता सहित आईन श्रृंखला परिस्थिति नियंत्रण नहीं आलोचना कराजिबो।
Presently a $113 billion economy, and by 2036 we hope to take it to $500 billion, and then by 2047 to $1.5 trillion, at which point we are going to be 5% of the national GDP. To do that, business as usual will not do, which means that even though we are growing at 7.2%, we need to jack it up to 9.5 to 10% if we have to achieve what we have set out to achieve. We've also set a target of 1 crore non-farm jobs, which means that every year almost 5 lakh jobs have to be created. Now, clearly, that's a very tall order. Even $1,800 per capita, we want to take it eventually to 24,000. So, these are big goals that we have set for ourselves, and these are based on 3 pillars. Pillar 1 is prosperity, which is port-led development, urbanization as an engine of growth. So, from 17%, we take it to 40% by 2036 and 60% by 2047. More airports, more highways, more railway, all those things are there. Then the second pillar is well-being, which means how we can control the anemia, how we can increase the longevity to 80 years, and how we can provide nutrition for everyone. Because once you are healthy and your well-being is taken care of, you can take care of the economy. And the third pillar is equitable development. The idea is that the fruits of development need to trickle down to the last mile, which means we need to improve the participation of women. So FLPR at present is 49%, which even though it is better than the national average, yet we have set a target of reaching 70%. Likewise, ensuring that all regions which are backward come up and all that. So my request to each one of you is that there are already some indicators in this. You need to now keep those in mind whenever you are planning your own district vision, because unless districts participate, we cannot achieve this large vision. So all of you must have your own plans, your own strategic vision, plus you must have an idea of what all is happening in this so that we can go ahead. For example, let's take the case of health. In health, MMR has to be brought down from 119 to less than 5. It's a huge thing to be done, but we have to do it in the 22 years that are left up to 2047. So we have to all keep it in mind and ensure that in all our reviews, we are actually reviewing that. Or under 5 mortality rate has to be brought down from 41 to 5. Or anemia in 15 to 49 age group of women from 64 to 5. So these type of things are huge challenges which have to be kept in mind while you are reviewing. So all those indicators are given, and I would request each one of you, please ensure that we keep these on track. The second is budget. We have a huge budget of 2.9 lakh crores, and with a huge capital outlay also, one of the highest amongst all the states in the country, which means the thrust on infrastructure is huge, and I would request each one of you to ensure that that is also pursued. So if there are big projects in your area, please pursue them, even if
परवर्ती खबर पर नजर पकेबा ओडिशारू विदा हेबे बांग्लादेशी बांग्लादेश सीमा पार होई ओडिशा समेत अन्य राज्य रे रहउछन्ति जलपथरे प्रवेश करी विभिन्न स्थान रे हजार हजार बांग्लादेशी रहउछन्ति एपरिकी विभिन्न अपराधिक कार्य रे बांग्लादेशी लिप्त सामना को आसुछि जहाको नै ओडिशा पुलिस एक्शन मोड को आसिछि।